the Lawyer in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make sausage, egg, and potato skillet out of this book I just got yesterday. It's a Michael Symon book. By the way, he's fantastic. I just met him, and he signed the book for me, which was cool, I thought. He's got the best laugh of any person I've ever seen in my life. I don't like people with beards. Okay, all right. So I thought, I've got to cook something out of this book right away, so I'm going to do this one. It's all in one skillet, and this is going to be fantastic. We're going to put some sausage, some potatoes we're going to cut up real well, some scallions, and then we're just going to we're going to nestle spots here to put the eggs in, and then we're going to put this in the oven at 350. Do you know how old or how long ago it has been that in this world that we have eaten eggs from domesticated fowl? Some people say just about forever. Some people say about 6,000 BC. When did eggs come to the United States? Christopher Columbus' second voyage to America in 1493. That's when we started having domesticated fowl and having them for their eggs. And that's going to be something that's obviously, eggs are used in everything on the earth. This is Sharon's grandmother's skillet, stolen from her mother. And this is, as you look at this thing, it's got, you understand, I've cut stuff off of here, scraped stuff off here, and it still has it on there. But you can tell this thing is absolutely seasoned. We're going to bake this at 350, so set your oven on and preheat it. So the only chopping we have to do is the potatoes and the scallions. There's a lot of ways to cut up potatoes. Even though the sausage does have plenty of fat, we want to go ahead and put a little oil on there. And according to the recipe, we wait till this is shimmering, and then we're going to put in our sausage. So we're going to put our sausage in there. And that is looking good. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. Michael Symon uses sweet Italian sausage, but my wife doesn't like Italian sausage. So this is going to have Jimmy Dean sausage. One of the things that's really good about this dish is that it's in one skillet. That's it. No other dishes. Getting pretty gold right there. Have a look at that. They're starting to get a crust on them, and they're starting to get soft enough. They're going to go in the oven for 10 minutes. So we're going to put that right here. We're going to put in. We're going to save some of this for the end and a little bit of time. Our oven is at 350, ready to go. Supposed to make a little nestling thing for this. We're going to try that and see how that works. Now, Michael Symon's recipe calls for 6 eggs, but I don't think my pot's big enough or my pan's big enough, so I'm going to go with 5. All right, we didn't break any of them yet. Okay, and now into the oven for 10 minutes. It's been actually 12 minutes because I like them not quite as runny. All right, so this has been in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Actually, this was about 12 because I'd like it a little less runny. I'm kind of like Guy Fieri on that. I'm not really into runny eggs, but anyhow, but I like them like this. And we're going to try it. These are russet potatoes, the sausage. So this is sausage, egg, and potato skillet. I'll get this right. And hopefully I won't break the egg. All right. Let's have a taste.
I'm gonna get the part that's not runny.
I thought you liked one.
Oh, this is good. I like this better than most breakfast casseroles, I think.
Really?
Yeah, this is really good.
All right.
Ooh. You were right about the better than any casserole.
That is good.
I like ready eggs. I like ready eggs.
Well, this is your lucky day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Lawyer in the Kitchen. Thanks for watching.